We just got two new models from OpenAI coming out fresh. We got 5.4 mini and 5.4 nano. So super excited to try these guys, and the rumor is they're a bit of coding models as well, right? So 5.4 is an expert coder, so you know, hopefully these ones will be good at programming too, and we're gonna put them to the test in today's video. Right off the bat, they both have 500,000 context window length, you can see there, or 400,000, and it looks like the nano version is actually around 4 times cheaper. It's actually a little bit faster too, so you can see I have a comparison on OpenRouter, and I have nano over here and mini over here, and here you can actually see the average latency and the average throughput. It looks like this one starts 3 times faster and goes twice as fast, but I think the visualized performance is actually really good, because if I open this up here, you can see this is what it looks like in real time. So you can see Nano's just zooming ahead. They all take file, image, and text. So yeah, super excited to try these out today. Alright, so I have them both loaded up side by side, and let's get to testing. So for the first prompt here, I basically said create me a single page HTML document that has a 3D parallax desert scene at sunrise. And so here I've just gone through more of the prompt. And then yeah, I'm gonna hit send and let's see how it goes. Boom, so you can see Nano finished up first here, and it's given us the code. And then if I come down as well, interesting, Mini's actually still reasoning where Nano's already done, but I can go to open the metadata, and this one here took 54 seconds. It cost 1 cent, and ChatGPT 5.4 mini has finished. It took 11 cents. It took around 2 minutes. And yeah, it basically did it on the same sort of speed as well, which was kind of interesting. 200 tokens per second. Alright guys, so those have now finished up. So this is what Nano came up with. You can see if I scroll, it actually tilts the screen, but then also the sun kind of rises. And then we also got Mini. Now Mini kind of confused me because if I'm scrolling, it's not really doing much, but it has some real nice wind particles down here. So yeah, that's what it produced. On to the next prompt. Alright guys, so for the next prompt we have this beautiful image of a butterfly just chilling out on that flower, and we're basically going to ask the AI to recreate the image without actually using the image and just see what happens. So boom, you can see there I've literally just put please recreate this image in a single page HTML file. Quick and dirty guys, let's see what happens. Boom, so it looks like 5.4 Nano's already finished. It took around 22 seconds, cost basically half a cent. Let's see what this looks like. This is what Nano whipped up. So you can see it's got a lot of the elements there. Are they positioned correctly? Probably not, but it's kind of cool. And Mini has just finished up. So again, lightning fast guys. This one costs 5 cents. Let's see what it looks like. Boom. So this is what it did for 5 cents. I mean, the image actually looks very similar. I mean, the butterfly looks more like a butterfly compared to this, where we just got like some sort of whatever that is. But I really like how this one's kind of animated, where this one, it just looks completely still. But yeah, what do you guys think? What one looks more like the original image? This is the original image. This one looks much more like it. Where this one, I mean, kind of looks like it. Like, I guess you could say it kind of actually does look like it. The proportions look exactly the same. Where this one's more of like a nicer image. And just for fun guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this on 5.4, the normal ChatGPT, just to compare what type of result it gives us. So what's really interesting guys is that 5.4 I noticed didn't actually use a lot of reasoning tokens, so it came out to just be 6 cents, which was only a cent more than Mini. But let's see the result. And boom guys, this is what 5.4 did. Now it looks kind of weird, to be honest, with all these dots here. I don't know how I feel about it, but you can see the flower definitely looks more like a flower. But anyway guys, so that was the actual proper version. Now I know these models, their core purpose isn't actually to take a photo and reproduce it as an image, but it's always good to try different things. But yeah guys, that was pretty much the video. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers in 6 months, so hit the subscribe button and leave a little comment, you know, is this the type of video you guys enjoy? What type of things should I throw at different AIs? You know what I mean? Like, what type of prompts should I give them to actually evaluate them? And yeah, I'd just love to hear your guys' feedback. But like I said, yeah, thanks for watching the video. You know, I'm only a small YouTuber, so a little goes a long way. And I'll catch you in the next one. Stay frosty.